how to cancel a booking on booking.com. So basically, just go ahead and enter your booking app or go to the website. After you log in, you have to log in with your account, of course, so you can have your settings and everything set right. You're going to see, on the screen, you'll be able to see search, bookings, and profile, right? And you're going to see the booking section in the middle. Click on that. Basically, you're going to see all the trips or hotel bookings that you made, right? And around that time, you can just go ahead and click the three dots next to the hotel or whatever plan that you booked. Just go ahead and click on it, and you're going to be able to see cancel booking, right? And basically, you're going to be able to cancel the entire booking and tell them the reason why you want to cancel. Then, at the end, you're going to receive a refund from Booking. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.